You already know two toy robot tricks, covered calls and cash secured puts. The wheel is simply what happens when you snap them together into one endless loop. It's one of the most popular income strategies out there, and it sounds advanced and fancy, but it's really just our two simple robot tricks on repeat. Same little girl Lucy, same robot, now spinning in a circle. Let's watch the wheel turn. Let's do a 5-second recap. Trick 1, the cash secured put. Lucy gets paid $1 now for promising to buy the robot at $8 if it drops. Trick 2, the covered call. Once Lucy owns a robot, she gets paid $1 now for promising to sell it at $12 if it rises. One trick is for buying low, the other is for selling high, and both of them pay her money up front. The wheel is nothing more than doing these two in order again and again. That's the whole secret right there. The wheel starts on the buying side. Lucy sells a cash-secured put. She promises to buy the robot at $8 and pockets $1 for the promise. If the robot never drops to $8, she just keeps that dollar and does it again, collecting dollar after dollar while she waits. She's getting paid to wait for a good price. This is the first half of the wheel, and if the dip never comes, she can happily spin right here, collecting premiums without ever buying a single thing. But let's say the robot does drop to $8. Lucy's promise kicks in and she buys it at the price she wanted all along. Now here's the key moment. Lucy is no longer waiting to buy, she owns the robot. And the very instant she owns it, the wheel turns to its second half. Because now she can use the other trick. Owning the thing is exactly what unlocks the covered call. The put got her in at a discount and paid her $1 just to do it. Now that Lucy owns the robot, she flips to trick 2. She sells a covered call, promising to sell her robot at $12 and pockets another $1 for that promise. If the robot doesn't reach 12, she just keeps the $1 and sells another call next week, collecting premium after premium while she holds it. She's now getting paid to wait for a good selling price. This is the second half of the wheel, and just like before, she can happily spin here, earning income the entire time she owns the robot. Eventually, the robot climbs to $12. Lucy's call kicks in, and she sells the robot for $12, locking in a nice gain on top of all the premiums she already collected. And now look what happened, she's back to just holding cash exactly where she started. So what does she do? She sells another cash-secured put, and the whole wheel begins again. Buy low, get paid, sell high, get paid, back to cash. Around and around it goes. That right there is the wheel. But here's the catch, and it's the same warning from both tricks. The wheel only works on a stock you'd be genuinely happy to own for a while. Because if the robot crashes to $5 and just stays there, Lucy is stuck holding a robot worth less than she paid, selling calls against it and waiting for a recovery that might take ages. The wheel is not free money. It's income you earn for being a patient, willing owner of a solid company. Spin it on a junky stock, and you can get trapped holding a loser for a long, long time. In real stocks, it's the exact same loop with bigger numbers. You sell a cash-secured put on a company you actually like, say a 45 strike, and collect $100. If you're assigned, you now own 100 shares at 45. Then you sell a covered call, say a 55 strike, and collect another 100. If your shares get called away at 55, you've booked the gain plus both premiums and you're back to cash, ready to sell another put. Round and round, collecting premium at every single step on a stock you were happy to own anyway. So here's the entire strategy in one sentence a 5-year-old could repeat. You get paid to promise to buy low, and once you own it, you get paid to promise to sell high over and over again. That's the wheel. It's not a brand new trick at all. It's just your two favorite robot tricks, holding hands and spinning in a circle. And that's the wheel, built from nothing but a toy robot and a little patience. Sell a put to get in at your price, sell calls while you own it, sell your shares when it rises, then start all over, collecting premiums the whole way around. Just be sure to spin it on stocks you'd be proud to own. If this tied the whole thing together for you, subscribe, because we're explaining every scary trading idea like your 5, one spin at a time. This is for learning only, not financial advice.